let's talk about side hustles. Because let's face it, who doesn't love the idea of making extra money while holding down that 9 to 5 job? But hey, we know you're not here just for pocket change. You want to turn those side hustles into a serious cash flow. Imagine paying off your debts, taking those dream vacations, and living life on your terms. It's not a distant dream, it's an achievable reality. 2023 is your year to make it happen, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. But before we jump into the juicy details of these highly profitable side hustles, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. Hey there, welcome back to the Smart Finance Hub, your go-to channel for all things money smart. Now let's get started. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck, feeling like your financial goals are just out of reach? Well, it's time to change that narrative and start hustling smarter, not harder. Here are the top 5 side hustles that can fatten up your wallet and put you on the path to financial freedom. Number 1. Amazon FBA Fulfillment by Amazon. Let's kick things off with a game-changing opportunity, Amazon FBA. Have you heard of it? Amazon FBA, which stands for Fulfillment by Amazon, is a revolutionary platform that's accessible to anyone with a laptop and an internet connection. But it's not just accessible, it offers the potential for substantial profits that can truly change your financial landscape. Imagine making money while you sleep, sipping on your morning coffee, or even during your lunch break at your 9 to 5 job. The beauty of Amazon FBA is that you can do it in your spare time after a long day of work. That's right, no need to quit your day job just yet. Here's how it works. You find a product, have it manufactured overseas, and send it to Amazon's warehouse. From there, Amazon takes care of the heavy lifting, shipping, customer support, and even returns. It's like having your own team of elves managing your business logistics while you focus on growing your income. Now you might be wondering why you should choose Amazon FBA over other e-commerce options. Well, it's easier than fulfillment by merchant or FBM, where you'd have to handle everything yourself, from packaging boxes to answering customer inquiries. Plus, if you want to offer the sought-after prime shipping option on your products, and who doesn't love that 2-day delivery, Amazon FBA is your golden ticket. The best part is that the initial investment typically ranges from $500 to $5,000, making it a relatively low-cost way to start a business, especially when you consider the potential returns. So if you've been dreaming of an e-commerce adventure, Amazon FBA might be your ticket to financial success. Number 2. Building a website. Websites have evolved into modern-day gold mines when it comes to generating income. There are various ways to make money through websites, but today we'll focus on 2 profitable avenues: affiliate marketing and personal branding. Affiliate marketing is all about promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale. It's like being a digital salesperson, except you don't need a fancy suit or a pushy attitude. Instead, you can write reviews, create engaging content, and genuinely help people make informed decisions while earning money for each successful referral. Imagine getting paid to share your thoughts and opinions on products you love. Personal branding websites can also be highly profitable, whether you're an expert in a niche, have a unique skill set, or are passionate about a particular topic. Showcasing your expertise online can attract followers and customers. Think about selling online courses, offering consulting services, or even starting a paid newsletter. The possibilities are endless, and your website becomes your platform for sharing knowledge, products, and services within the world. Number 3. Private tutoring. Are you a knowledge fan? If so, our third side hustle might be your true calling, private tutoring. But hold on, private tutoring isn't limited to academic subjects. It can cover a wide range of skills and knowledge areas. Consider teaching test prep for standardized tests like SAT or ACT. With the demand for test preparations always on the rise, you can carve out a niche and help students succeed while padding your own wallet. Imagine being the guiding light that helps them achieve their dreams. The best part? You can tutor online through platforms like tutor.com or VibKid, allowing you to reach a global audience from the comfort of your own home. And if you want to take things a step further, creating and selling online curriculums can generate passive income. Yes, you heard that right. Passive income. You create the curriculum once and it keeps earning money while you sleep. Talk about making your time work for you. Number 4. Flipping furniture. Alright, let's get our hands dirty with our fourth side hustle. Flipping furniture. This one's for the DIY fans and bargain hunters out there. Flipping furniture involves buying undervalued items, refurbishing them, and selling them for a profit that can leave your wallet feeling plump. The best part, you can start with as little as $100. Focus on items like dressers, end tables, and storage furniture. These are in high demand, and a little tender loving care can turn them into cash cows. When it comes to selling, platforms like Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, and eBay are your best friends. Just snap some great pictures, write compelling descriptions, and watch those items fly off the virtual shelves. With dedication and a keen eye for bargains, flipping furniture can become a profitable and exciting side hustle. Number 5. Copywriting and Website Design. Last but certainly not the least, let's talk about two skills that can unlock a world of opportunity: copywriting and website design. These are highly profitable skills that can propel you into the world of freelancing, where you set your own rules and watch your income soar. As a freelancer, you can work from anywhere and set your own pace. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are fantastic for getting started and building a client base. You can offer services like writing compelling website copy, creating eye-catching graphics, or even designing entire websites. Your skills become your currency, and businesses are willing to pay handsomely for high-quality content and design. The best part about these skills, they have a high income potential. And as you build your reputation and client base, you can approach companies for retainer agreements. Imagine having a steady stream of income without the constraints of the traditional 9-to-5 grind. So if you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck and want to secure your financial future, these top 5 side hustles for 2023 can be your ticket to financial freedom. From the convenience of Amazon FBA, where you can let Amazon handle the logistics while you grow your income, to building websites for affiliate marketing or personal branding, there are endless opportunities for online success. Consider private tutoring, where you can share your knowledge and earn passive income through online curriculums. For the DIY fans, flipping furniture offers a chance to turn a small investment into a profitable venture. Lastly, harness the power of copywriting and website design to become a successful freelancer, enjoying the flexibility and high income potential of working on your terms. It's time to hustle smarter, not harder, and make your financial goals a reality. So there you have it, folks. 5 side hustles that are perfect for 9-to-5ers looking to increase their income and take control of their financial future. These opportunities offer flexibility, income potential, and the chance to transition into full-time entrepreneurship, if that's your ultimate goal. Before you go, make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on personal finance, entrepreneurship, and side hustle tips. Also, ring that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. That way, you'll be the first to know when we release new videos that can help you achieve your financial goals. If you have any questions about side hustles or suggestion for future videos, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And remember, the best time to start your side hustle is now. So take action and start building those additional income streams. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep hustling, keep learning, and keep growing.